Hi, this is Jake from Optimus Forex, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to execute buy and sell orders on Trader Interceptor desktop. Now, before I do proceed to the tutorial, I would like to mention that if you're in the market for a new Forex trading platform, or you've heard about Trader Interceptor and would like to give it a try for absolutely free, you can do so using the link I'll be providing at the very beginning or at the end of the video. And I'll also provide the same link down in the description below. And this link will directly take you to the sign up page for the desktop version of Trader Interceptor. If you're interested in the mobile version of Trader Interceptor, feel free to follow that same link and you can find the mobile version there. Now on to the video. So like I mentioned previously, I'll be showing you how to execute essentially any type of order on Trader Interceptor, and there is actually a couple ways to do so. Before you do anything, I would suggest, however, in the bottom left hand corner, there is a button to log on or off onto your live trading account. This first will need to be logged in. So you'll notice I just clicked log off, and you can tell by the red dot here in the lower left hand corner, you will see your account number here. If you do see the red dot, that does display that you're currently on offline. To place an active trade, simply just click this log on button right here, and you shouldn't run into any problems. Further down the line, if you do attempt to, let's say, trade from a chart and you do pull up an order window with your account logged off, it'll simply tell you that there's no active trading account. So just keep that in mind. But I think that segues perfectly into one method of actually executing a type of trade on this platform. One way is, as you just saw, through our chart. So if you do have a chart open on your screen, all you'll need to do is simply right click anywhere within our chart here, and you'll see there is an order window. I would like to also mention that you can also place, depending on where you right click on your chart, a buy limit or a sell stop directly from here as well. So if you're looking for instant execution, simply just right click on the price level you want. If you need to, you can activate crosshairs down here to see the exact price level you'll be at. As you'll notice on the y-axis on the right hand side, our crosshair does display the current price level. So for example, I have my price level here at 1.13639. If I right click, just a bit off, but as you can see, it's just one digit off here. So I can place a buy limit. It will open up my order ticket here. If I need to, I can specify a different quantity. I can change the price. So although it was just a bit off, I can change that last digit there to the 9 instead of the 8. And then we have our different types of orders here. So if you like that price level, but instead you want an instant execution, you can do so as well. Or again, if you need to, you can specify the price level, and then from there, adjust any stop loss or take profit levels, put an expiry if you need it, and then finally we'll just click place order. So that's how you would place a pending order, specifically a buy limit or a sell stop. Again, if you do need instant execution, you can do so the same method, but you'll just click the open order window. From here, it automatically defaults to the instant execution section, so it is a bit quicker. But again, same rules apply. You have your account up here if you do have multiple. You can change the symbol directly from here as well if needed. You have your quantity, which can be changed manually or by using the preset levels that are set for you. And then you have your stop loss, take profit, and you have your buy and sell or your bid and ask. From there, just simply place your order, and again, you're good to go. Now, if you'd like to and you want to trade a contract that you don't actually see here, you can do so in two different ways. You can manually search for your contract down here, or you can add it directly down here and go through the directory. Once it's added, you can do the same thing and open up a chart for that contract. You can just right click on the chart right here in our little market watch list, click show chart, right click, and trade from there. Now, for those of you that don't necessarily execute through a chart or need a chart to analyze the different markets, we can actually go up here and click on the dashboard. This gives us a little quote board where we can instantly buy or sell directly through here. Sorry, I just clicked off the window. If you need to, you can add any additional instruments or symbols by clicking the add symbol button up here in the top. You can also change your theme if needed. But again, this is for pretty much instant execution, so you can simply change your quantity level here, use the drop-down menu for predefined levels, and buy or sell instantly through these buttons. So clicking on this will open up, as you can see, an order ticket. But again, you do have your predefined options here. So whatever you do click, that price level will be associated on your open order ticket here. Now, again, this is essentially the same exact window as I shown before. So I don't need to go through that again, but either you have your buy or sell and then you can place your order. So that just offers a couple of different alternatives of different ways on how to place trades through Trader Interceptor Mobile. Pretty fairly self-explanatory, but again, there are just a couple of different ways to do it, so I figured I'd show you all the different possibilities. One last thing I would like to mention is one-click trading, which can be activated here under trade execution mode. If you do activate one-click trading, you shouldn't need to go through an additional order ticket every time. You should simply be able to left click as I just did. And as you can see, it instantly executes for me. So this should be the same and it should apply to charts as well. As you can see, if I clicked on a buy stop here, and I did have my candlestick on so I can see that price level in real time. If you do have one-click trading on, it will avoid opening up that extra order ticket. So if you do need to execute instantly and don't have time to go through all the different order tickets and adjust all those different parameters, I would suggest one-click trading. But that just about does it for this video. If you do have any additional questions, feel free to reach out to us. But other than that, if you would like to try the demo of Trader Interceptor for absolutely free, you can do so using the link provided at the very beginning, at the end of the video, and down in the description below. Once again, thanks for watching.